All right, guys, this went well. I already recoated the stairs, and I'm cleaning and tacking the floor. Cleaning and tacking, very important step. You know, any that dust or residual on the floor. And then also, kind of show this how the floor will look when we're putting the finish down. Also, the two projects I have going now, one in Decatur, sanding job, another one in South Fulton. Sanding job, both clients are giving great feedback. Aaron, clients doing a great job. And then one in South Fulton, Rafael, his guys also doing a great job. So, all right, guys, get these floors clean and tacked, and then I'm going to run off and do 2 more in-home consultations in the area. Stay tuned. Floors came out great, nice satin sheen. You can really see the beautiful, how beautiful the floors are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alrighty, well, that's gonna do it for this week. Busy week next week. I mean, now this week was a busy week. And like I said, I'm starting a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then I'll be out of town for the rest of the week.